Want to learn faster and actually understand what you're studying? The Feynman Technique might be your secret weapon. Named after Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman, this simple yet powerful method transforms the way you absorb knowledge. Here's how it works. Pick a topic you want to learn, then try to explain it like you're teaching a 10-year-old. No jargon, no shortcuts, just pure, simple language. When you get stuck or start rambling, that's your brain revealing what you don't fully understand. Go back, fill in those gaps, and refine your explanation with easy words or analogies. It's like turning your brain into a searchlight, spotting confusion and clearing it up as you go. Whether you're learning physics, coding, or anything in between, the Feynman Technique helps you learn smarter, not harder, and trust me, your future self will thank you.